Hallo liebe Freunde and welcome back to Get Germanized. Ich bin Dominik, aka Meisterlehnsherr. Halloween is right around the corner and if you are tired of mummies, zombies and vampires for Halloween, well, I got something very special in store for you today. Let's get started. Lasst uns anfangen.
What creepy thing should I do? Should I get Germanized?
In today's video, we're diving into awesome Halloween costume ideas inspired by German folklore. From the terrifying Krampus to the mystical Erlkönig to the powerful Rübezahl. I'm going to share the legends behind these characters and give you some tips on how to create these costumes yourself. Let's get spooky. First up, Krampus, the Christmas demon. You may know him as the evil counterpart to Saint Nicholas. Krampus is a horned, half-goat, half-demon creature that punishes kids around Christmas time. Only the naughty ones, of course. He's believed to have roots in Germanic and Alpine folklore, where he would roam the streets scaring kids and even taking the naughtiest ones back to hell in his sack. Some say he even devours their flesh, but who knows? To create a Krampus costume, you'll need some basics. A pair of horns, which you can either make out of foam or buy online, a long shaggy fur coat, and a scary demon mask. Paint your face with dark shadowy colors to add a sinister look if you're going without a mask. Don't forget the chains and belts to rattle as you walk. And a sack or basket to collect naughty children. Just for effect, of course. Next up, der Erlkönig, the Elf King. He lures children away with promises of fun and games, but of course ultimately leads them to their doom. The Erlkönig is often depicted as a seductive, otherworldly figure who appears and disappears like mist in the forest. For an Erlkönig costume, think ethereal. You want a flowing dark green or grey cloak that gives ghostly, foresty vibes. Add some natural elements like leaves or branches in your hair to connect with his role as a forest spirit. White face paint with hollowed out eyes can make you look otherworldly. If you want to go all out, try using some glitter or silver accents to give a mystical, enchanting appearance. Next up, Rübezahl, the mountain spirit. He's a shapeshifter, known for his mischievous nature and ability to control weather. Rübezahl can be friendly or vengeful, depending on how he's being treated by people who meet him. In German folklore, he's often seen as a protector of nature, but cross him and he will make you pay. For Rübezahl, you'll want to focus on earthy tones and natural textures. Think brown and green clothing with a lot of leaf and moss accents. You could add some faux fur elements to give a wild, rugged look. Don't forget a big, gnarly staff, which you can make from a branch and some rope. If you're feeling ambitious, try making a beard out of moss or twigs for an authentic mountain man feel. And maybe a crown of leaves or antlers to show his connection to nature. Now let's move on to something a little bit more ghostly. Die Weiße Frau, the White Lady. The Weiße Frau or White Lady is a common ghost figure in German folklore, and she's usually seen haunting castles. She's believed to be the spirit of a woman who died tragically, and her appearance is said to be a warning of death or misfortune. To embody the Weiße Frau, go for a long white gown or dress, preferably tattered at the edges to give an aged look. Use white or light gray face paint to create a ghostly complexion and darken the areas around the eyes for a hollow effect. You can also add a veil or some gauzy fabric to your costume for a haunting, spectral look. Keep your hair loose and messy, or consider a white wig for added spookiness. And last but not least, the mightiest of them all, maybe, der Tatzelwurm. So for something really unique, how about this year? You go as the Tatzelwurm. It's a creature from the Alpine regions, said to be a mixture of a cat and a serpent. While it may not be as widely known, the Tatzelwurm is definitely one of the creepiest creatures in German folklore. A Tatzelwurm costume will take some creativity. You can go with a green, scaly bodysuit and add fur or whiskers around the face to bring in the feline aspects. Make or buy a tail and attach it to the costume and add some scales with face paint or makeup. If you're feeling crafty, create a serpent-like mask or use colored contacts to make your eyes look reptilian. So there you have it. These are some of the most unique and spooky costumes inspired by German folklore. So if you're looking to stand out this Halloween and bring a little bit of German culture to the party, any of these costumes will definitely do the trick. Let me know in the comments which one you'd love to try out, or if you have any other German folklore characters in mind. If you want added value and extra content, consider becoming a patron on patreon.com/getgermanized to get your free PDF companion for every video and early access to my content every week. And apart from that, thank you very much for watching. Don't forget to get Germanized. Goodbye and auf Wiedersehen.
Get Germanized, it's a spooky vibe. Learning Deutsch, come alive tonight. From castles to haunted tales, we dive into Germany's ghostly side. We thrive, we talk about the phantoms, the chills and the screams. Every lesson's a journey through eerie dreams. With spells and myths, we're in this together. Join the Germ family, now and forever. So whether you're a ghoul or a friend from afar, let's explore Germany under a haunted star. With Dominic at the helm, we'll go bizarre. Get Germanized, Halloween's not too far. Get Germanized, it's a spooky vibe. Germanized, it's a spooky